Hey guys, so we are going to start CCNP security. In February 24, 2020, Cisco changed all this certification track. Before CCNP security was used to be four paper. When you pass four paper, then you become CCNP certified. And also there were prerequisite to do CCNA security before doing those four paper. But this year, February 2020, Cisco changed all the track and they remove many things and also they modify their outline. And now CCNP security become two paper to be CCNP certified. One of them is core exam, which is 350701, which we will do this one. Implementing and operating Cisco security core technology, in shortcut we call them SCOR. A lot of thing in this paper. This is compulsory one, core. You have to pass this exam to be CCNP certified. And one of them is concentration exam. You can choose any from these. Most of the students they like to do firepower, and I would suggest this one as well. Either the second best option is a Cisco Identity Service Engine, Cisco ICE. But you can choose any of these, and also you can do more than one. You will get another extra certificate, but minimum is only to choose one. But it doesn't mean that you can give only one take can take only one exam. You can take this if you want. You will become specialized in that one. Firepower, suppose Cisco ICE, then ESA, WSA, it's up to you. But this one is compulsory and this is our subject today. And this is what we will start. So implementing and operating Cisco security core technology, there is no prerequisite. You don't need any CCNA, no need of anything. And also the same exam is for CCI security as well. So it's the same paper which can be used for CCNP to be qualified to be CCNP certified, and also the same first core exam is for CCI as well. When you pass this is the prerequisite and theoretical exam for CCI security. So it's the same and no prerequisite and no nothing. Now the question is how is the exam? You will get only 100 MCQs in the exam and you can take the exam from home. You just need a webcam and mic on your laptop. Exam price is 400 USD. Concentration exam price is 350. But in these exam you will get 50 question, while in the core exam you will get 100 questions. MCQs, most of them single choice, multiple choice, and maybe 2 3 drag and drop. So as the exam, most of the students in this group they already passed, they already know, because they are my old student, they know this one. The one which I have in Hindi group, they already passed. Most of them 30 student pass and it was so easy. Within a 30 minute they finish the exam. So don't worry that how is the exam. So it's very easy to crack them. I will provide you whatever you know. You understand better now. So this is the code is 35701. Cisco has a code for every exam. So 35701. A lot of stuff and many technology has been added in this new. As I told you, 120 minute is only for English speaker. Non-English speaker, they will provide you another 30 extra minute exam and you will get 100 MCQs. 25% you will, in this outline you will see security concept like what is Trojan, what is DOS, DDoS, phishing, rootkit, man in the middle attack, and so many things you will see. In this course, you will also see VPN related stuff, site to site VPN, remote access VPN, NAT, and so many things you will see, and cryptography, DMVPN, Flex VPN. So VPN is also included part of this core exam. Cloud related stuff. You will see cloud related stuff as well in this core paper. Firepower related, firewall related, IPS, IDS, layer 2 technology, layer 2 protection, like VRF light, either to protect how to protect switch access layer switch from DHCP snoop, port security, dynamic or private VLAN, make flooding attack, make spoofing attack, VLAN hopping attack, DHCP, and so many things are included. So layer 2 related stuff is also there. Then Cisco ICE. Cisco ICE, some part of Cisco ICE is also in this paper. It means it's the combination of all these four. It's there you will see firepower related stuff, then Cisco ICE, then there is email security, WSA, then virtual private VLAN, and programming and cloud. So basically, this core exam is like a fruit chart. In fruit chart, there is apple, there is many other things you will see, and you will learn many technology and many things, and you will work up them. And then it's up to you which one you like. You can go for VPN, you can go for Cisco ICE, WSA, and firewall. So Cisco ICE, ESA, WSA, cloud-based endpoint protection, a lot of stuff you will see in this course outline. And this the course outline which we will follow. I will share with you. This the course outline. One by one we will go through these outline. And I will try some of them as theoretical stuff, but I will try to show you some lab as well. This was just introduction to the course.